Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important actions that you can take to bring more awareness to your employees to run your business in a sustainable manner. The very first thing is implementation of employment education and engagement activities. Okay, you can provide training on sustainable IT practices to educate employees on energy efficient computers usage, proper disposal of electronic waste, and use of eco-friendly software. So let's say you are working in an organization and you have like 3000 employees and you have a lot of people joining and leaving the organization. In this case, what you can do is, of course, you can you know bring awareness to the people by conducting you know uh, meetings, like meeting people and giving the instructions. But what you can do is, if you are working in a very large organization, you can also conduct online trainings. You can create a course, you can create a nice course, and you can ask your employees to finish that course. In this course, the employees can go through all the important instructions on how to run the business in a sustainable manner. So by providing training on sustainable IT practices to educate employees on energy efficient computer usage, proper disposal of electronic waste, and the use of eco-friendly software. And the second one is encourage employees to actively participate in sustainability initiatives such as recycling programs, energy conservation campaigns, and community cleanup events. So in an organization, you would be, if you are running some workshops or campaigns, help them to advise them to or encourage them to participate in one of these events, so that they can bring more awareness to their friends, family, and other people in their daily life. So this is also very important topic that you can cover in your business. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.